How to update Instagram account for the newest features. So all the apps always have new features that come out, and sometimes you don't get them automatically. You have to update the actual app. So what we can do in this circumstance is go to your settings, actually go to your app store, and we're going to go ahead and type in Instagram. Instagram, there it is, and we will click on it. And sometimes this will actually say update, but if it doesn't say update, what you can do is actually clear out the cache and offload the app. So since this doesn't say update, we'll have to update it manually. So we can come out of here, go to your settings, and what we're going to do is go down to General, and we're going to go to iPhone storage, and we will go and find Instagram. Here we go. And what we can do here is go ahead and offload the app. It will offload the app. It will not log you out of your app. It won't do anything to the app itself. All it's going to do is get rid of back data, get rid of cache, and it's going to force itself to give you the newest feature that you want for Instagram. So after it's done that, we can go ahead and reinstall the app. And from this point, you should be able to have the newest features that Instagram currently offers. And that's it. That's how you would update Instagram for the newest features.